Tracy here. I thought today I'd come on here and wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Today is actually Christmas Day, so perfect time to wish you all a Merry Christmas. And we already celebrated our family gathering yesterday. That just seems to work out with my daughters having to go to the in-laws and that. So I don't care what day we celebrate as long as we get together. And so we had the grandkids yesterday and it was so nice and they're just so cute. But today my husband and I were just going to relax on the couch, watch some movies, eat lots of leftovers and lots of baking. So I thought I'd come on, wish you a Merry Christmas, and show you this little mini album I made. This mini album. You can tell I haven't been doing videos for quite a while because everything just kind of came crashing down right now. So I had to reset everything up. So let me share with you the mini album. And I think I mentioned that most of these papers came from my SCT Sampler. And they're perfect size because the SCT, you get 6x6 pages and ephemera in that, and it fits perfectly with this book. So the first thing I did was I assembled the book with white cardstock, and maybe I'll do a tutorial one day with that. But yeah, so I assembled the book with white cardstock, and then I put my paper on top after that. So here is the gingerbread ephemera that was in my little sampler, and then I just popped it up with a couple pieces of foam tape. And when I first made this, like I said, everything was white cardstock. So there wasn't anything around here and it was just too much white. So what I did, because I had assembled everything already, I do it differently the next time I do it. But I cut little strips and then tuck them in here. I tucked them underneath these little pink strips just to, it needed a frame for me anyway. I wanted a frame around it. And I had assembled everything. So next best thing was doing that. So when you open it up, this is blank for a nice picture or whatever else I want to put in there. And then the gingerbread is another piece of ephemera that I pop dotted on. And then this is a flip page, which are always fun. So you can put 3 pictures. This here, I added just the adhesive, the foam adhesive, so I can tuck something under there if I need to. And same with this one here. And then the back side of that. Now this piece of paper here, this wasn't from the sampler, this was from my own paper. I used this paper and it seemed too white to me, so I wanted a little bit of pop of color, so I had to use some of my stash for that. Then we go to the next page, and you have to be proud of me because I actually have a picture on it of my grandsons, of course, which this is probably going to be full of them. So here they are visiting Santa. My daughter, this is my oldest grandson, Sawyer, and my daughter had got such a cute picture of him and Santa. He brought his Santa Beanie Baby, and him and Santa were like looking at it and chatting, and it was just such a sweet photo. So that'll probably go on here somewhere. And then here is my baby, my grandson, my youngest one, and this is Dawson. And he is not impressed. My daughter said he was fine sitting on Santa's knee until my son-in-law started walking away, and then I think he kind of got a little bit scared. But it's like, those are the best pictures. I think they're the cutest. So there's that. And then here, this is what my grandson calls this doors, his doors. So here's this page. Some more ephemera from the kit. And this one I just punched a hole in here and added a little string. And here is, again, Sawyer and Dawson. How adorable are they? Sawyer is like so happy. Look at that smile. And then Dawson's like, yeah, I'm over the pictures already. Like, I'm ready for a nap. It's so cute. And then the last page, now just a big blank page. I can do whatever I want on there, but I just left that blank. And then this one here is a little pocket. So these tags came. They were the paper tags. You just cut them apart. So I put them there, and I'll probably put some little pictures on there as well. And then this came from the kit too, this foam sparkly Mary. And then I used a stamp here for Christmas. And then the back I just left blank. But it's tiny, it's quick, it's simple, plus it's adorable. So I had another one too I had made. I'm not quite finished this one, but I'll just give you a quick look at this one too. Aren't these papers like so gorgeous? I just love, like, look at that. Look at that beautiful paper. And then open that up. And actually this is the first one I made. I made this at a Crop and Create event. One of my friends had bought the kit, and she didn't know how to she was having trouble with cutting. She's never done a mini book before, so she asked me to help her, so I did. And I'm like, oh, that turned out really cute. So then she gave me the instructions, and I made one myself. So this is the first one I made, but this one is so adorable. So that's it for today. Mind you, I might come down here too in between our movies, because my husband and I are just chilling all day today. So I might come if I can figure out how to edit and upload this first of all. Then maybe I'll come down and do some Christmas tags that my friends and I exchange every year. So thank you everybody for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And if I'm not back on here, I hope you have an awesome New Year. Thanks again, everybody. Bye now.